Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to another Spanish lesson with Fairmount Community Library. I'm so happy you decided to join us again. So we're going to start right off and say hola. Can everyone say hola? That means hello, and I'm saying to you, bienvenidos. Welcome. Welcome to another Spanish lesson. Okay, an excellent way to learn a language is using repetition. So there are a few songs that we will repeat each week until, the children start to really learn them. So this is one of them. This is our good morning song. And again, it says, good morning, how are you? Very well, thank you, and you. And we have hand movements. And if you didn't join us for the first one, you'll pick it up. It's a repeating song. So repeat after me and follow the hand movements. Ready? Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Excelente. Let's do that again. Una vez más. One more time. Ready? Buenos días. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Muy bien, excelente. Okay, so some things that you will hear me say, and you'll probably want to know what they mean, and words you can start to incorporate into your vocabulary at home. Put your thumbs up and say sí. Sí means yes, sí. Okay, put your thumbs down and say no, no, and that means no. Two words I use a lot are excelente and muy bien. Excelente. Can you say that? Excelente. That means excellent. And muy bien. And that means very good. Can you say muy bien? Muy bien. Another important word we have here is gracias. Can you repeat? Gracias. That means thank you. And that's a great word, an easy word to put into your vocabulary at home to get started. So two new words that we did not have last week. They are levántense and siéntense. So if I'm in a class and I'm speaking to a group, I want the group to stand, I would say levántense. And that means stand up. So I'm going to say it and I'm going to go like this and we're all going to stand up. Ready? Levántense. Muy bien. And then if I want you to sit, I say siéntense. Muy bien. Let's try that again. Levántense. Siéntense. Muy bien. And we are going to get up a little bit in class today because we're going to do some dancing. So we'll need to use these words a little later. Okay, so I have a wide age range of students learning Spanish with me. So I thought a nice thing to add in would be the alphabet. It'd be fun to learn the ABCs. And this is a great video I'm going to show you. It's catchy and you'll start singing it maybe in your head. So go ahead and if you have your maraca from your kit, go ahead and grab your maraca.
Hey Cosmo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Quieres aprender el alfabeto con nosotros? Órale, será fácil. Solo canta con nosotros. ¿Listo? 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Muy bien, Cosmo. Ahora vamos a aprender las vocales.
Okay, the next is vowels. We'll save that for another day. So, great. Okay, so after the alphabet, we're going to go into numbers. So we learned numbers last week, or last session, I should say. And so this was a song that we learned last time, and it'd be great for repetition. We're going to sing it again. Can you stretch out your counting fingers and get ready to count with me? Ready? And if you did not join us last time, just listen and you'll catch on. 1, 2, 3 amigos, 4, 5, 6 amigos, 7, 8, 9 amigos, 10 amigos. Muy bien, let's sing that again. 1, 2, 3 amigos, 4, 5, 6 amigos, 7, 8, 9 amigos, 10 amigos. Muy bien, let's sing that in a whisper. Ready? 1, 2, 3 amigos, 4, 5, 6 amigos, 7, 8, 9 amigos, 10 amigos. Okay, this time, if you can, levántense, levántense, and you can sing it loud standing. You ready? I can't stand because my head will be out of the screen. 1, 2, 3 amigos, 4, 5, 6 amigos, 7, 8, 9 amigos, 10 amigos. Excelente. Siéntense. Go ahead and siéntense. Muy bien. Okay, so last time we counted hearts. Today we are going to count snowflakes because our theme for today is winter. These are copos de nieve. And we're going to learn a little bit more about that word a little later, but let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Muy bien. Let's count together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Muy bien. Okay, another song, and if you joined me last time, you may already be singing this around the house. It's a fun one to learn, but it's colors. And so again, we're going to learn 4 colors. And we have red, blue, yellow, and green. And it's a repeating song again. I'll sing both parts. Just join in with me. Ready? Red is rojo, red is rojo, blue, azul, blue, azul, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, green, verde, green, verde. Muy bien. Let's do that again. Otra vez. Una vez más. Red is rojo, red is rojo, blue, azul, blue, azul, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, green, verde, green, verde. Muy bien, niños. Excelente. Okay, we learned this question last time too. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? So let me ask you, children, ¿cómo estás? Can you answer me bien, mal, más o menos? ¿Cómo estás? Yo, me, bien. Excelente. So now we have a new question today. Can you repeat after me? ¿Cómo te llamas? Ready? One word at a time. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what is your name? So let's say you're at the playground and you meet someone and you want to be their friend. You can say, ¿Cómo te llamas? And then to respond, you say, me llamo, and then your name. So if you were to say to me, ¿Cómo te llamas? I would respond, me llamo Miss Patience. So let me ask you, ¿Cómo te llamas? And you say, me llamo, and then your name. Go ahead and try it. Muy bien. So again, let's repeat. If I ask you, ¿Cómo estás? That's how are you? And you can say, bien, mal, más o menos. And if I say, ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? And you say, me llamo, and then your name. Good. These are things that you can practice at home. Okay, the theme for today is winter. So we have a few words to learn today. So nieve over here. What do you see in that picture? Lots of snow, right? Nieve. Can you repeat? Nieve is snow. Copo de nieve. What is that a picture of? Did you say snowflake? Muy bien. That's a copo de nieve. Muy bien. Now, what is it doing in this picture? What's falling out of the sky? Is it snowing? Nieva, see, they're very similar words, right? Nieve is snow, the noun, the thing. Nieva is the verb, the action. It is snowing. So can you say nieva? That means it's snowing. What's this little guy down here? Did you say snowman? Can you repeat? Muñeco de nieve. Muñeco de nieve. Muy bien. And then this one right here. Hace frío. Can you go like this with your arms? Hace frío. Can you repeat? Hace frío. It's cold. It's pretty cold outside right now. Hace frío. Good. Thanks for learning those with me. So here is the slide for a song that we are going to sing together. What I need for you to do is find your snowflake. That should be in your packet that you picked up at the library. Can you go ahead and find that? Now, we have one of these at our house, so I thought I would bring this too. If you have one of these, if you went to see Frozen, or if you have any other kind of snowflake, lights up, it's pretty exciting. This would be fun too. You can use one of these for the song or the one that came in your kit. So many of you will probably recognize this song in English, but you're going to enjoy listening to it in Spanish too. So it's copo de nieve. So the first word is snow, nieve. The second word here is copo de nieve, snowflake. The third is calle. Calle means fall. Can you make your snowflake fall? Can you say calle while you're making your snowflake fall? Muy bien. Now snowflakes, they fall everywhere, right? They can fall on your cabeza. Can you put your snowflake on your cabeza? And then they can fall on your nariz, on your nose. And then they can fall on your mano. Can you say cabeza? Muy bien. Can you say nariz? Muy bien. And can you say mano? Excelente. Let's go ahead and watch the song together. So did you hear the words that we talked about? Nieve and copo de nieve and cabeza, nariz, mano. Great. So that reminds me of a song that I think many of you know, head, shoulders, knees, and toes, talking about body parts. So we are going to learn it in Spanish. Okay, can you put your hands on your head and say cabeza? And put your hands on your shoulders and say hombros. And put your hands on your rodillas and say, or put your hands on your knees and say rodillas. And then put your hands on your feet and say pies. Muy bien. For this one, you may want to levántense. I can't because I'll be out of the screen, but levántense. If you want, you can stand up or just watch and you know, just learn it, and then you can try it later when you're more comfortable. Okay, ready? Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Ojos, orejas, boca, nariz. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Muy bien. Let's learn a few more of the words that you just heard, okay? So we have ojos. Can you point to your eyes and say ojos? Can you point to your ears and say orejas? Orejas. Point to your mouth and say boca. Boca. And then nariz, which we learned in the song. Nariz. Okay, let's try that again together, nice and slow. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Ojos, orejas, boca, nariz. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas y pies, rodillas y pies. Excelente. Well, typically in the classroom, we would repeat it a few more times, but you can actually, you know, just watch it over and over again if your children want more practice. Okay, we have a book to read. It is called Haciendo un muñeco de nieve. Muñeco de nieve. There's a word we learned. Snowman. So this is making a snowman. This is, I have the book on Hoopla, so we can go ahead and read it online. So, haciendo un muñeco de nieve. Hagamos un muñeco de nieve. Let's make a snowman. Rodaré una bola grande de nieve. Tú rodarás una pequeña. I will roll a big ball of snow and you will roll a small one. Esta es una piedra del jardín. This is a stone from the garden. Puede ser su nariz. It could be his nose. Esta es una banana de la cocina. This is a banana from the kitchen. Puede ser su boca. It could be his mouth. Estas son unas monedas de mi billetera. These are some coins from my wallet. They could be, pueden ser sus ojos. They could be his eyes. Estos son unos palos del árbol. These are some branches from a tree. Pueden ser sus brazos. They could be his arms. Esta es una de mis bufandas. Podemos dársela al muñeco de nieve. This is one of my scarves. We can give it to the snowman. Este es uno de mis gorros. Podemos dárselo al muñeco de nieve. This is one of my hats. We can give it to the snowman. ¿Tenemos todo? Do we have everything? Creo que necesitamos algo más. ¿Qué es? I believe that we need something else. What is it? What do you think? What is the snowman missing? Un amigo. Do you remember what amigo is? It's your friend. So sí, necesita un amigo. Yes, he needs a friend. Hagamos otro muñeco de nieve. Let's make another snowman. Okay, so that's a nice story about making a snowman. Probably a little bit differently than we typically make them. Use some different things to make the snowman. In your packet, you have the materials to make a snowman. Can you go ahead and pull out your packet and collect there should be circles and triangles and semicircles. Can you go ahead and grab the materials that look like they would be used to make a snowman? Okay. This says, primero, first, necesitan 3 bolas de nieve, un círculo pequeño para la cabeza y 2 círculos grandes para el cuerpo. First, you need 3, 1, 2, 3 snowballs. And you need un círculo, un círculo pequeño, one small circle for the head, y 2 círculos grandes, 2 big snowballs, circles for the body. Okay, can you go ahead and align those so that they look like a snowman? And if you have glue, go ahead and glue them down. Or if you have tape, or you can just put them in place and you can glue it later if that's easier for you. I'm going to tape mine so that I can hold it up. Oh, that does not want to agree with me. Okay. All right. Segundo, necesitan dos círculos negros para los ojos. You should have 2 little black circles for the eyes. Can you go ahead and get those? Can you say círculo? That means circle. Okay, and go ahead and either just put those on your snowman, or you can glue or tape it on now. Whatever is easier for you. Okay. Tercero, third. Necesitan un triángulo anaranjado. It's kind of like a triangle. It's a little bit curved, but necesitan un triángulo. Can you say triángulo? That means triangle. Para la nariz. For the nariz. Okay, can you put that on your snowman? Okay, I'm going to get a piece of tape to put mine on. Okay. And let's see. Necesitan un semicírculo negro para la boca. Okay. So it's kind of like a semicircle. Practicing our shapes here. For la boca. Now remember, in our head, shoulders, knees, and toes, we had ojos, nariz, boca. Okay. Let's see. Quinto, necesitan 2 palos marrones para los brazos. So we need our arms. Can you say brazos? That means arms. Muñeco de nieve. And you can decorate your snowman more if you would like to. Put a hat on or put, buttons, whatever you would like. But here is our muñeco de nieve. And then, yeah, there are different things you can put on. Okay, on to the next thing. The next part that I have is a dance, and it also practices the body parts again. So I think you're going to enjoy this one. So you probably want to levántense, and don't get frustrated if you can't, if you don't know how to do the movements the first time you watch it. Just try. You'll see the kids in the video. They are just trying and having a good time. So if you just want to dance and just listen, that's fine. Or if you want to try to learn the moves, you can do that too. Use your maraca too to dance.
Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo, baila, baila, muévelo así. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo, muévelo, muévelo así. Empezamos con los pies, abajo ¿cómo están los pies? Mueve los pies, mueve, mueve los pies. Luego con las piernas, baila con las piernas, baila, baila con las piernas. Y rodillas, rodillas son para agacharse. Agáchate con la cadera en la cadera, siente el ritmo, mueve la cadera, mueve la cadera. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo, baila, baila, muévelo así. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo, muévelo, muévelo así. Los hombros,
Shoulders.
arriba, abajo, con los hombros, arriba, abajo. El cuello,
Neck.
una vuelta con el cuello. Ahora con la lengua, enséñame la lengua. La, 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 la. Ojos abiertos, ojos cerrados, abiertos, cerrados, abiertos, cerrados. Ahora con las manos, arriba con las manos, arriba, abajo, al lado, al lado. Ahora con las manos, arriba, abajo, al lado, al lado. Baila, baila, baila.
Baila means dance. So they want you to dance.
Muévelo así. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo. Muévelo, muévelo así. Ya, aquí tenemos todo el cuerpo, ya conocemos todo. Vamos al principio, a los pies.
Okay, we're gonna start again. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Empezamos con los pies, luego con las piernas. Baila con las piernas. Y rodillas, rodillas son para agacharse. Agáchate con la cadera, siente el ritmo, mueve, mueve la cadera. Hombros arriba, hombros abajo, arriba, abajo, arriba, abajo. Cuello, da una vuelta con el cuello. Ahora con la lengua, enséñame la lengua. La, 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 la. Ojos abiertos, ojos cerrados.
Eyes open,
cerrados,
eyes closed.
abiertos, cerrados. Ahora con las manos, enséñame las manos. Arriba, abajo, al lado, al lado. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo. Baila, baila, muévelo así. Baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo. Muévelo, muévelo así.
Thanks, Basho. Now I know what's even better than a banana. Baila, baila, baila.
All right, so a new word. Baila. Baila means dance. So that's a fun word. So that he was saying, baila, baila, baila con tu cuerpo. So dance with your body, he was saying, and muévelo así. Move it like this. So he was directing you how to move it. A fun song, and you know, repetition again is a great way to learn these songs, and you know, it's a really nice, it's a catchy one. So you might find yourself humming it. The kids like it. Okay. We're already at our goodbye song. Well, thank you so much for joining me for our second Spanish lesson online. So we are going to continue these lessons. So please sign up again in the future. But this is our goodbye song. So we're going to wave goodbye and follow along with my movements or read along. Ready? Adios, amigos, adios. Adios, amigos, adios. Adios, amigos, adios, amigos, adios, amigos, adios. That's saying goodbye, friends, goodbye. Let's do it one more time. Adios, amigos, adios. Adios, amigos, adios. Adios, amigos, adios, amigos, adios, amigos, adios. Okay, gracias. Thank you. Adios.